Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome back. If you're new, my name is Nicole Cole, and I love everything home. Today, I wanted to kind of take you through the house and show some things that we have kind of changed since I took a year off. This one area we have been working on this last weekend, and I'll show y'all bits and pieces of that throughout the video. But we had a brand new door. Let me kind of turn you just a tad. So we had a brand new door put in. Love the door. At first, he didn't have the 4 panes in it, or it didn't have the mullions, however you say that, in there. But I asked him where, he said they had forgotten to order them, so he brought them back, and I'm so glad I kind of stuck to my guns on those. But I absolutely love the 4 pane, because just the opening, just the big square, it didn't look as vintage or French farmhouse that I like. So on the walls, we did beadboard on the bottom, PVC beadboard, and we did shiplap on the top. We're still having to finish our trim, and we are not experts or professionals, and we just love to play and do, or actually I love to save money. So that's why we did it ourselves. But we had someone do the front door for us because that was over our heads. So I love this area. I'm going to redecorate this whole room with you guys once we get this finished. But let me kind of show y'all the before, and then you'll remember the after.
When I wake, I know you are with me. In the dark, I can almost see you clearly. Every day, you're singing over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above. Oh, come be with us.
this is our bedroom area. And you may remember these pieces on either side, and I'll kind of show you some video of us doing that. These pieces were in the dining room, and we moved them from the dining room into here. And at first, I had them way up high against the ceiling, and I saw a picture, and I told my husband, I said, I would love to frame out and do 4 panels across. And he couldn't see my vision, so I had to do it on ChatGPT. I don't know if y'all ever used that application, but it has saved me so much because I can visualize things. However, my husband cannot. So I, just go through the motions of telling it what I want, and it shows me exactly what I'm trying to explain to him. You can see we've got bags. We are leaving for a conference today. I'm going to take y'all on a trip with us next week. So we'll be having some fun things for next week. But I just wanted to share this area with you guys. We trimmed it out with just door framing. Once again, we're not professionals, but I love how it turned out. I did change the curtains in the back of our bedding. I did the white and our cream, and I'm going to add that over by the window. So just overlook the mess. We live here, but I wanted y'all to see the whole area.
Who am I that the maker of heaven would love me and know me by name? In a world where I feel like a stranger, his love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you. All in you, everything I need is found in you. Found in you, Jesus. What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace? In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase.
This is our bathroom area. This is an area that I wanted to do for some time when we moved in. It had a full-size mirror in the back, and I'll show you a before picture as well. But we did the lighted mirrors, covered the back with beadboard just to make it a little more cottagey feeling. I've gone with swans in here. I guess I've gotten a new thing for swans. I absolutely love them. We did all chrome in here. I wanted to do polished nickel, but it was a little more expensive, nickel was. So I just did the chrome. I love the look of it. It's very clean. So we did new countertops. So I did a granite countertop with a real pretty edge siding. I wanted the filigree piece in the back. However, when they brought it, it wasn't like that. And so I just kept it the way it was. I didn't want to be ugly and request. We had to have a new shower put in, and I'll show that to y'all. Just like I said, please overlook the mess. We live here. It's just a very real video today. But I kind of did some gallery walls in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and I love how it turned out. I'll share that with you as well. But I love this area. I love how it turned out. It is kind of a higher area. Both my husband and I'm not as tall as he is, as you can very well tell, but he's 6'3", and this works out really good for us. I did the undermount sinks, and I love those. But this is really, really pretty. What a blessing to have this finally done. So we're checking off our list. We only have a couple more things that we want to do. So after that, we are done. And then I can just decorate and play all the time.
love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He washes over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows his love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He has chosen me. I have chosen him. Let there be nothing, nothing in between, nothing in between. He carries me beneath his wing.
This area you may not like, but I thought you might want to see it. We finally somewhat finished our closet area. My husband had these two areas and I had the one on the end. So what he did is he created this area on this side for me. We still have some unfinished pieces in here. You know, we both work and we're extremely tired on the weekend, but we do love doing things together, and this is turning out really sweet. I love having all of my work clothes on one side, dresses on the end, and then I have a casual closet on the end down there. And my husband loves clothes, and you can tell he works, he has a job that he has to dress up a lot, so he has a lot of dress shirts. So, and he's got his caps up here. He's got a whole other one. So we have to kind of let it be about our husbands too, but then also be about ourselves. But I love the way it turned out. We bought these units from Lowe's. I believe they're Roth and Allen, or Allen and Roth. Love them. They have the vented areas in them, but I'll take y'all off and let you look at my side because it's a little bit neater.
Glory to the deepest pain. I dance beside him in the rain. His goodness has become my strength.
Well guys, I'm sitting in the truck. We've got the RV hooked up. My husband said I needed to hurry up, that we had to go. So I hope y'all enjoyed today. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. I'm gonna share with you all our trip, and I'm gonna do you a tour of our RV. This RV has truly helped with me and my anxiety. It gives me a break, and I do seem, when we go off like this, I get a lot of good rest. My girlfriend from work let me borrow one of her books, and I'm gonna read and relax this week. My husband has a conference for a few days, and then we're going to enjoy each other, and then next Friday is my birthday. So this is my little birthday trip. So thank y'all so much, and I hope y'all have a great week.
Carries me